All right, well, let's kick it off. Good evening, everybody. Welcome to today's call. I know that there's a lot of people that has been already together with us in the platform where we used to have automation, and I'm happy to see all these faces. Some of you I recognize, some of you I will get to meet in the following weeks or months. Um, but we have a lot of updates to talk about. We have a lot of good news to transfer to you. Anders, I don't know if you want me to kick it off right away or if you want to make some introduction. How do you want it, my friend?
I think you could kick it off immediately. Everyone knows you anyway, Davor.
All right. So
Go
I don't
ahead.
have to introduce myself. That's
No,
good.
I can introduce you if you want to. That's fine.
It's good.
So I'll do that in Swedish.
All
So
right.
hej allihopa, välkomna. Or maybe we have some international guests as well. I'll do it in English. So welcome everyone to this call. I'm Anders. Most of you on probably your upline. Anyway, this meeting is going to be held by Davor, and Davor is our common upline. He's a great guy, by the way, and he has really success. He has had really big success. Sorry, in this industry for several years. And in this company, it hasn't been any different. Since we joined this community, we have two different parts, and one of them he has really kicked off in a high speed, and the other one I know he's already been working on quite a lot. So if you want to learn how to do this, you should really listen to Davor. He knows everything about this business. So just follow his lead, and everything's going to be great. Over to you, Davor. You have no sound.
Did I mute myself? Right. Thank you, Anders, for the pleasant intro. Guys, since you already, I know that Anders told me that you have already been with AP prior, and as all of you know, I was quite well involved within the company for the past 7, 8 months. And once you're involved in some things and see that they're not going the way it was planned and visioned and put as a mission statement, 5 years ago, you start thinking about how to save your community. Because as we all know, network marketing is mostly done. You start off from friends, family, and those are people who trust you. But also, if thing goes sideways and some company is blamed for that, you lose credibility within your circle of friends and family, and that's not quite pleasant. And that's not, I don't want this for anybody. And a couple of us, we started thinking about, all right, how can we create solutions? Because I believe that we have all been in the same train, paying $250 or $75 a month with starting $300. And then, there's consolidation in the market. Trump's getting elected, dollar is getting, weak and strong, and markets are, holding, not doing much. There's transition through the holidays, and it's the worst time to trade. And and along with the U.S. elections happening, that's screwing up the whole market. And then people start becoming frustrated because they pay every month for a subscription and nothing's happening, or there's no profit, there's no coverage of the monthly subscription, yet profit on top of that. And it was not like that before. So we were constantly in the back end looking for potential additional solutions, because you always need to have an ace in your sleeve. And of course, our first idea from Dominic, Valentino, me, Marco, what the guys are all from Croatia, Dominic's from Slovenia, was to have this offering and products that we use now, is to have them inside of our old company, inside of AP, and essentially have people that are already in the company use them. But it's hard when you're not speaking the same language of vision with people who are making decisions there. And then we said, all right, if like we have the customers, we have the community, and we have better solutions, more profitable, that we can offer for cheaper or for free, well, we don't need the company then. We don't need the company who's not in the same alignment that we want to be in. And this is the decision that was made. And I want to share a few slides. But this decision was made, we said we don't want to marry ourselves anymore with any company. Here's the thing, any company can be good. Anyway, something can happen with the ownership, with the products. And essentially, we said, like, we will go further on in this year as a community, because we are all in the community. We trust each other. We have solutions, and we are always uh, goal oriented and profit oriented, that we create solutions, or social and solution oriented, that we create those things and say, hey guys, we have these many solutions, whatever you want to use, whether it's automation, trading, funded accounts, signals. And we really tried hard to put in back a really good signal provider, because I don't know how it's going with you in the field, but we've been always stumbling on of, let's say, 70% people want to enter with some part of smaller fee, want to use funded accounts, want to learn a trade, and we couldn't offer them anything, and for for automation, we all know that people needed to have larger size accounts. And most of people who are firstly beginners in the trading, they want to put the tip of the toe in the water, and that's like maybe a couple of hundred, maybe $1,000-$2,000, and test it out and see if that works out for them for the next 6 months. All right, then they're gonna figure out the way how to have more capital in. And if you have somebody who is like with 1,000 in and spinning around 1,000 and not making profit, well, that person is gonna leave. And we were thinking about and researched a lot of companies in the market, and we figured out the solution that we could have in our community along with automation. And that's why we decided, all right, let's have two things. Let's have copy trading automation, which is fully for free, and then let's fill in the whole gap area that we did not have with the copy trading or with EAs with automation. And then we found and figured out a solution and made a partnership with a certain company that I will show you. And we've been using it for 5 weeks now and testing 2 months before. And I can only tell you one thing. We had our first live event this Saturday in Zagreb, in Croatia. And there's like some people from Bosnia were coming here, and some of them made a couple thousand, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 just by using stupid simple strategy called copy paste or tap to trade, which is like copy paste what the educator sent or just click approve what the educator sent. It cannot be more simplified than that. You don't need to learn how to trade yourself. And we said, let's test it out. And if it all goes well, let's offer this to the people. And quite a big number of people was searching with us and saying, hey, can we go and use funded challenges like FTMO and the next funded and stuff like that, the companies like that with EAs? And the answer is no, because a lot of times they figure a red flag like copy trading, same trading, and if they figure out that everybody is using the same exact EA, they will decline your payouts and stuff. And many things were happening. We were trying to get on many prop firms to use them. And in any prop firm in any community, I was asking to see some proof of results. I got zero, nothing. And what I seen, and I'll show you that in the group that we have here, I never seen. I'm in trading for 6 years. I never seen that amount of people getting money out or that's free money. That's from funded accounts. I'll explain a little bit later what they are. I'll use some of the slides I'll skip some slides because you guys, you know the introductions already to the money system and things like that. And so I'll go with this part as a community. So when, like, if you're part of the company, you can be an affiliate, you can be a customer, you can be a leader, and that's it, but a company can shut their doors tomorrow, but a community cannot, and empowering people around yourself and strengthening the community around the whole globe, let's call it like that. And that's why it's something that's empowering, and that's why we wanted to create Vault Syndicate. And these two words represent some symbols. Wealth in the first part represents all being wealth. It's like, if you see like the mission and vision is like offering people not just financial, but mental, physical, ethical, education, financial markets, entrepreneurship, personal development, because we want people to grow the quality of life, raise moral values, freedom of choice. And that is all that wealth stands for. And syndicates, some of the guys are like, I don't like syndicates that much. I'm like, that's not a union for government union and stuff like that, because syndicates are the biggest and toughest communities in the world. And that's why we decided not like union or group or association. Syndicate is something that stands firmly, and people in the syndicates always follow some kind of vision and mission and help people around them. And that's why we wanted to do that and go with World Syndicate in the future. Somebody else coming on. And to create a global community where every member has the opportunity to achieve personal and financial growth through the tools, resources, and collective support. And, bringing values through collaboration, education, shared progress. We want to set a new standard for financial independence and personal fulfillment. And through Volt Syndicate, in this year, we will continue to add on more things inside. So we will continue to add on more things, not just in financial terms, but things in like empowering, biohacking, quality of living, more information about how to grow your life in a better, positive way. Mindset. We had this weekend the really good live event, as I said before, and Valentino was talking about mindset, and he had a really good training on based on mindset. People love that because around yourself people are a lot of negativity and talk stupid stuff, and having somebody to talk about personal development, life, business, personal growth is something way different. And that's why there's a vision of growing Wealth Syndicate. And in the upcoming months, we'll grow. We are now preparing also a website. We'll have members area. We'll have recording trainings inside. So all the people inside the community will have different options to create wealth and also health, grow it. All right. So of course, all the three things that everybody wants is money, lifestyle, and time. And sometimes, there's always lack of one. If there's lack of money, there's plenty of time. If there's lack of time, there's plenty of money. But we want to create, people help create balance between those three and really enjoy life. And as I said, I'm going to skip some of those because all of you are, previous customers with us, and you all know how this goes. But what we wanted to do is like determining your why is the first part. But after why is coming the how, and with this offering really solid solutions. For first of all is a first-class education with the new partnership platform where you can you can learn with tools, resources, top educators, financial markets, academy, stocks, forex, crypto, indices, everything is inside. I'll show you, it's from A to Z. And then you can have trading signals plus TTT, what stands for tap to trade. I'll also explain what it means. It's just like copy the professionals in just few clicks. I don't know, was this pros, some mistypo. High-end scanners. You don't need to study the market because these scanners study the market for you, and they help you to make decisions quite easier. Also live trading sessions where you can follow professional educators and trade with them through the whole day. So like starting from the middle of the night and through the whole session. So you can trade through London, New York, and Asian session the whole day around. Choose your favorite educator. You can trade along with them live. They will teach you how to use the scanners as well. And then what we used to have is, and what we are having right now in our community, all our members get free access to, is copy trading and automation. It's for those who don't have time to trade and don't want to be and want to be investors only. It's 100% automatic trading. So I'll also touch base on that, and cooperation for trading challenges. As I mentioned before, FTMO, we have cooperation with a different funded prop firm, and they're offering 10K starting from $10,000 up to $200,000 trading challenges. And you get that already by joining the platform. So the platform that we created partnership is called AkashX. And this platform is existing for 3+ years, almost like, I think it's like 4 years now. But they've been booming for the past 2 years really, really, really well when they created this whole system that I'm about to show you. And they are one of 23 brands of a company called My Daily Choice. And this company has been on the market around for 10 years with over 500,000 of customers, while AkashX has over 13,000 customers. So it's a big, solid company with 23 brands underneath it. And the My Daily Choice has physical products for health, for wellness, for traveling, home appliances, beauty, all this stuff. And you can check the website, once you have your account, you can purchase them cheaper. So let's talk about AkashX, which is the fastest growing brand in My Daily Choice. You can learn things about Forex market, crypto market, stock market. I don't want to go through this because you guys already know these things. I'm going to talk about phases in AkashX, which is really simple. Phase 1 is you're going to approve the trade. Once you connect your broker account or use a funded account, is you have the app, which is called AkashX, and inside of it, you have tap to trade. So essentially, you get a notification on your home screen like this. You can also determine this new feature is not lot size. New feature is percentage per risk per account. So default is 0.25% risk per trade. Once you click approve, the trade gets immediately executed on your broker or on the prop firm with an entry, stop loss, and take profit, which you cannot change. So whatever happens in the market, or if the account goes or the position goes your way or against you, it will execute or the profit or stop loss. But win rate, if we talk about majority of these top performing traders, win rate is around 80%, which is magnificent. And in February, once I started using it, I made 25% in just 1 month. I followed a couple of the traders, mostly following the signals, tap the trade. I made 25% or $6,000. And I was in my bed for 2 weeks because I had a surgery. So I had a lot of time at taking all these signals. And Saturday, we had one of our also clients, and he was using before the EAs and copy trading. And he's like, now with copy trading, he's like, simple. There's no fee. There's nothing. I'm not in a hurry to pay the subscription. And with tap to trade and trade alerts, I'll show you them as well. He made 50% last month. He has $8,000 account. He made $4,000. And this is a guy who has 50 employees and a very big company in Bosnia. He does business for Gucci, for Burberry, and he's trading with this. So means entrepreneurs are using these things. He brought also his best man, and he's like, I'm gonna put 100,000 on this. it's like people saw the results. I was amazed. And I saw that Valentino and Vedran are here. Vedran was also performing really good. and we were, we have a group chat for a couple of us in the inner circle, and everybody was so amazed. Like last month, everybody's like, "Oh my God, I never seen that much floating profit in blue, not in red. Drove down, but positive drove down in blue." So it's quite interesting, because it's not asking you to put away all your time and scan the markets, watch the charts. It just asks you to copy paste and just approve. So step one, once you register, is simple. Connect your broker account. It can be your existing broker account, and you can use the copy trading and this along the way together. Step two, if you receive a trade alert, this is a trade alert, then you just copy paste, and this is like this is tap to trade, or you get trade alerts and you copy paste. It's simple process. And step four is secure the profits. Right? Somebody else is coming here, and I'll quickly get out of the presentation. 1 second, and I'll open the results channel because I want to show you the results in it. It's insane. A lot of people are cashing out, especially this is a new video, tap to trade. This is the biggest payout for March 14th, $18,000. So this person had, I think, over $20,000 payout, and you get 80% of the money you made. This was traded on $200,000 funded account. And look at this: 800, 1,000, 2,500, 3,000, 3,280, 3,600, 5,200. That's like every day is like proofs, certificates of payouts are coming out. And these are people all like from Europe, Latin America, USA, all around the world. You can see all these names are in the group chats or Instagram. This guy, he moved, I think, from London to Brazil to be able to live like, for much better life. 5,000, 5,000, 4,800, 18,621 for February, paid out March 4. And this is like, I don't know, this person is from Poland. Also, there's an app that we use, is called Trade Locker. So you can take screenshots of the profits on there. It's similar to TradingView. And there's like bunch of these results. Look at this. This, guys, I'm telling you, this is free money, because you get a $10,000 funded account trading challenge. If you hit 10% profit and up to 5% risk, then after that, you get a funded account, and any amount of profit you make in the terms that they are given, you can get 80% of that profit. So let's say you make $1,800 is yours, okay? And these are all these profits here. And of course, we can add you to the group later so you can follow the results for yourself. Second phase, if you want to learn more to trade and go to the whole academy, learn about all the basics of Forex. You can learn about advanced stuff, expert stuff. For all of you that want to test it out and join, is this beginner course is really simple and explains the first things and how to place a trade, how to lock your stop loss, take profit, all these simple things. There's 28 educators currently on the platform. This is massive. I've never seen a platform that has 28 professional educators, traders. Of course, it's hard to follow all of them. So we do trainings and we teach people how to and which of the educators to follow. As I said, there's live trading session, live trading alerts. It's like you see, for example, this is just an example, US 30 stop limit, how to place a stop limit, where AP is entry point, stop loss, take profit 1, 2, 3, 4. So you determine which one you want to take. Academy, as I said, scanners will show you, for example, they will show you directions in the market where you can potentially place a trade and win. So, and AkashiX comes with a subscription, a monthly subscription. So what on left side, I'm going to tell you what you get. So you get Trading Academy which normally prices for Trading Academy is like 200 to 300, 250 to $300. Live sessions, that's for 250 a month. Trading signals are around $100 per month. Tap to trade, just to have this app is like 50. Even some companies have or technology like similar to this is $100 a month. Advanced scanners, $200 a month. Community support, $100 or more a month. Built-in trading tools, $200 a month. In $10,000 trading challenge, $100, and you can lease up to $200, which is $1,000. And this month, March, you have 50% discount on the trading challenges. So let's say you want a 200,000 trading challenge after you join, it's going to cost you $500 instead of 1,000. If you want a 100,000 challenge, which I bought, is 250 instead of $500. Okay. So all of this, what you get is worth $1,250 per month. And Akashix is giving all of this for $149 per month. There's only plus $30 for the first month enrollment fee. You get, guys, you're getting $1,100 monthly discount than any other platform out there, that if you want to use these things separately. So this is really, really affordable for anybody to jump in and create profits. And we have a lot of people that have been with us and have quite, 5, 10, 15, 20,000 accounts, and they just use these things, and they make up for the subscription in just one day. They pay it off in one day. It's so simple. Also, CashX offers customer referral program. It's called 3 for free or 3 and free. So if you register as a customer, not as an affiliate, there's 2 points. You can register as an affiliate or customer. If you register as a customer and bring in 3 customers as well, they enroll as customers, as long as they're paying, you have $149 off, right? If you enroll as an affiliate and they enroll as an affiliate, then you don't have this. Then you're participating in that case in the reward program that's paid out weekly and monthly, and which is, by the way, I can tell you 20 up to 80% better than we used to have in the previous company. Also, there's something that's called Dream Trips, and essentially it's $40 a month optional. So I'm saying optional. So you get Dream Trip points, and also you get savings on booking hotels. It's like booking.com, but with discounts for the members. So you can, if you're like often traveling and renting and staying in hotels or apartments, then you can go to the search engine and get it cheaper. And the other part in the signing community is the automation part, and is, if you don't have time for trading, 100% automation. So we were searching, as I said in the beginning, how to grow and develop better tools. We have partnered up with quite really interesting developers, and that we made partnership with as a community, and that we are using their tools, their EAs. But what we will not have for all the members is the need to place a VPS, install it on your computer, then reboot weekly. All this stuff now is a history. It's 100% automated because it's managed by the developers. It's monitored by us. So what we did is we are introducing the copy trading automation. Is you can still have complete control over your account. Your funds are still on your account, your MT5 account. You can start, stop, adjust risk setting at any time. That's fully customizable in your control. You can have flexible risk management. You can determine the risk, whether you want to have risk half, 1-to-1, 1.2, 1.5. If you want to double the risk, it's up to you. You are determining your risk management. We are only helping running the EA and along with the developers. Transparency. Every trade is in real time. You can follow through every trade on your mobile phone. Like watch them still on MT5. So you can see all these trades trading in live, and you can easily start and stop at any given time. So what we did is very simple thing: no hidden fees, no monthly fees, no monthly subscription, no membership, nothing. There's only 30% daily fee for profit impact. So what does this mean? It means if we made 1% today, it means that the broker is deducting 30% of your profit. So if you have, let's say, $100 of profit, you get $70 stays in your account, $30 gets deducted. That's 30% out of the what? Profit that was made, not the whole account, right? So your balance, your main equity remains intact. There's no fee on that. Only fee is if we made profit. If there's no profit, there's no fee. If there was I don't know, loss today, and let's say your account, you started with $1,000, which is minimum, and we grow this account to $1,100, and then we dropped to $1,060, so which is $40 less, and we make another $40 and we are at 1,100 back. We're not getting paid. Nobody's getting paid. Developers not getting paid for the strategy until we cross the high watermark, which is 1,100. So if we make 1,120, then on this 20 we get paid. Okay. So we've been researching these strategies quite a few years. I'm going to show you. We have 3 trading strategies. First and second are implemented, while third is being implemented soon. So it's called dynamic gold trading, and understanding the market is really, something that does not have to be something that's of your concern here. We use all the strategies. We monitor them daily, and we decide if strategy is going. If we see that the market is volatile, like example, for today or last week, we did not plug in some of the strategies because we want gold to calm down. So what I'm going to show you here is we've been testing strategies for 3 years now, and this is different products on the same account. And if you see, we had some EAs that were performing good, then they were not. Then, we used some different EAs, and this account was, it's a real account, but it's a testing account. So we use this account to test, lose, win money, but to test the account, okay? So from here, from November, we found these strategies. We connected with these developers that are running these EAs in the back, right? So this is the result on our account, which is a little bit more aggressive than we are running now, because we are willing to risk, and as you see, we were risking. But from now on, we said we will use more conservative strategy, which essentially is going to round up around 6-7% gross profit. And if we deduct the profit share, then it's going to be 4 to 6% a month, which is going to be target for one strategy. Then if we add a couple of more strategies, we will decrease the risk, and we will aim each strategy to do 3 to 5%. And you can put up, we'll put up multiple strategies to run on our master account, and everything gets copied on your account. So if you want to go even more conservative, you can just set like 0.5, 0.8 risk in comparison to the master account. Connection is essentially 3 clicks. Once you enter your MT5 credentials on the link you get, you go to edit strategy. You only ratio multiplier. Are you going to set it for 1, which is 1-to-1 risk, or you're going to set it 0.5, up to you, and risk to round to minimum lot. And you can determine total loss. If you, let's say you have 1,000 on your account and you want to risk total $250. If the account goes $250 or that 25% in drawdown, you get out of all the trades. For you stop yourself out of the old trades. We remain trading, but you are out of the market with $250 closed, right? And the action, you can unsubscribe, close all accounts. Once you do this, you just create and click button activate. So essentially, there's only 3 buttons you click. You can connect to the strategy in just 1 minute, 60 seconds, you're done. You can connect. Of course, have in mind that copy trading involves risk. This is not a financial advice. Information provided is for educational and informational purposes only. We do not offer financial advice, and past performance is not indicative for future results. Please take a screenshot of this, read this, because there's always that potential volatility that can happen in the market, and there's no guarantee what can happen. And everything is run on a broker, which is regulated, which guarantees for our money. So we always need to know that there's risk involved in the trading. We never know what tomorrow brings, but what we've shown you is the past performance. Past performance can never guarantee future results because we don't know what's going to happen in the markets, but we will always work and optimize and adjust everything to have proper risk management. That's why you can also use your risk management and say, okay, if this thing goes like 25% in drawdown, 10%, 15%, 50%, I'm shutting it out. Right? And of course, we also created a referral system for copy trading. So as you guys know, a lot of you are already using StarTrader as a broker. So we have a payout of $8 per lot in 5 levels, which is 60%, 20%, 10%, 5%, 5% of $8. So if you have somebody only in your level 1 and you get 60%, which is $4.8, the rest of the commission goes to you because nobody else in 5 levels gets paid out. Okay. And I can tell you that some of the community members only through this make up to $20,000 per month with referrals just in the broker. I'm not talking about CashX. I'm only saying here about copy trading. But these people have worked hard, have a lot of clients, and have big capital on it. And there's regular people, people are regularly making $500, $1,000, $3,000, $5,000 just passive income from the broker. And here's the thing, you can withdraw this money within 3 minutes. I withdrawn my commission yesterday. It was on my crypto wallet in just 3 minutes. And I can send this money wherever I want, or I can, every day, you get the rebates from the commission from the broker every day. And every day, once the market closes 11 p.m., you can transfer this money to your trading account and just compound your trading account with this, okay? We are also preparing something that's called Master Affiliate or Super Affiliate, which is going to be 10% of the profit share. We still have to work on these things, but we want to give also rewards in this terms. And also, we've been speaking with the broker to have like marketing materials, swags, and stuff like that. So right now we are in process of marketing materials with them. And on the other note, AkashX, as I said, also has the network marketing model in it, and there's a very, very good commission to be made. I can tell you that there's 8 different ways of getting paid out. I'm not going to go through all that. We didn't intend that for today. There's already a proper training on that. We recorded on YouTube explaining everything, but it's very simple. And we will round it up with your why. We started from why, we went to how, we said what we are using, we've shown what you're using, and then, why would you do it? Why would I do it? Have fun, make money, travel, work from home, whatever you guys want to do is on you, right? But we have, with this, we really have, I want to say, rounded up everything as a community, as an offering, as a platform. And I believe that right now we have a really, really solid offering that anybody can, be accommodated. And what I'm looking forward within the company that we're partnering up, Akashix and My Daily Choice, leadership is outstanding. Leadership is really good. These people know exactly what they're doing, and they're very professional. And I'm really, really happy and satisfied that we can work with these people. So I don't know. I see Valentino is here. I don't know if he wants to add on something. He can, if he's available, Valentino, maybe just, transfer your experience with using Akashix so far and with everything that we created.
Yeah, good evening, guys. I'm away on the trip, so I'm like this, but just say I'm really satisfied with what you have, and I'm I would say also relieved that we don't have subscription based model anymore on the copy trading, and people can have their money work for them for free. And if there's a slow month or something like that, then I have to pay for a subscription. That was the problem before. So investors can relax and enjoy. They don't have to worry about big drawdowns or worry about software or worry about anything else. And whoever wants to learn more can always play with Akash X. I'm currently doing my funded account, actually two of them. Bought another one for my brother-in-law, so he's doing the same. We've seen payouts, and I've seen many people earn a lot of money with funded accounts. So I can't wait to pass it and start earning also more money on the side and put it on the live trading account with copy trading. And the community is very strong, and people are very inspirational because everything is set in place. People look very satisfied with what we've seen. Our customers and other people we've met through Akashix, they seem like a very positive young people who want to do something in their life. So I think we're on the good path with all of this to be better in our lives and be more wealthy. As we said, Wealth Syndicate is here for wealth, not only for money.
True that. And thank you, Valentino. Guys, I also want to mention one thing that's really important. Akashix is now offering through the whole month of March. It's called March Madness. It's a promotion. I never seen in my career of 13 years in network marketing something like this. So it's exclusively for enrolling new affiliates or customers within the company, and it's $149 a month. But the level of promotions and everything that they're giving away, I reached in when I started building in just 3 weeks, rank 5K. And it's 5K in volume, not 5K in payouts. It's different system. But I also got like a spinning wheel to get something, whatever hooks me on. And I got $799 in credit wallet to use in their products. So it's free $800. So if you sign up one person on a monthly subscription this month, you sign up and you sign up only one person, you get next month for free. That's round one. If you in second round, if you sign up two people, that's three in total. Then you get $150 on your credit wallet to use for their products. Any product from My Daily Choice. In next round, round three, if you sign up three people, that's six in total. You get a $50,000 trading challenge. So that means it's $250 for, you don't have to pay for the $50,000 challenge. And in the fourth round, if you sign up 4 customers or affiliates until the end of the month, you get 1 year, 12 months for free. 12 months for free. And if you recruit more people and if you get into the top 10, guys, you get from $500 cash to $1,500 cash, or you get already past funded. That doesn't mean you get a trading challenge. You get a funded accounts from 25, 50, 100, or 200,000 for the first place. So immediately you get $200,000 you can trade on and pull out profits. Just by enrolling customers to AkashX. $149 a month plus $30 first month. It's so simple. And you get $50 off for the trading challenge for any amount. If you want a 200,000, instead of paying 1,000, you pay $500. You pass it within 3-4 weeks. Next month, from your first payout, you can just withdraw all the money and break even or even make more profit. It's really simple. That's the most, important thing. So, any questions?
What's the minimum starting balance?
If we're talking for copy trading, it's $1,000. If we are talking about AkashX, you can start off with $100, $500, whatever you want to do. You can use demo account to practice, or you can then use a funded account, whatever you want.
Do you follow just 1 or 2 traders in tap to trade, or you have multiple strategies? Or
I follow four traders. There's quite several new traders on there, so I'm just waiting to see statistics on their trading. But Brent Hoyle was not so much profitable in the past few weeks with the gold. He had few good streaks, but then few of them were like a miss. Then you have Arabella, which is really, really good. She is so accurate. Arabella is killing it. Lukasz Stavsky is really good. Vex, you're here. You're following them more than me. So which ones beside of them?
Well, there is a lot of new traders, so I need to check.
Yeah, Rich Vendiga is also good, but he didn't have so many trades in the past few days. All right, next questions.
Valencia is a good trader.
All right, thank you. For example, I was in gold trade today with Arabella, and she said, like, guys, just shut down with minus 10 pips. I'm looking for a better setup for gold. And that was it, So she always makes a note, and when you can like determine, all right, let's get out of this trade and seek for another one once you get a better entry.
do you help your customers, your network, to follow certain traders? Or
yeah, there's a couple of trainings that's already some of them are pre-recorded. So there's a page, 1 second. All right, so is this page AkashX launch. So everybody should go through this website, akashxlaunch.com, and go to the first steps. That's mandatory for everybody to go. Navigation for the 48 first hours. And also we have this link tree where you follow step by step. Download the app, how to register for TradeX, which is essentially a prop firm, connect tap to trade to mobile, maximizing your tap to trade plan, back office tutorial, connect TTT to desktop, trade locker tips and tricks, how to trade with it, and you just open. You just open and you go through the training and see about the tips and tricks and how to maximize the trading plan and everything. Everything is included in here. So it's easy to follow through all these steps. Next question. And also, guys, have in mind, every Monday, 8 p.m. our time, European time, there's an onboarding training done by a really good leader from Holland. Also, he's a part of Akash X, and I know him for quite a few years. So he does every Monday onboarding trainings. So, somebody can go every Monday on them. You can get people on these trainings. Also, there's two chats. We are part of a leader called Ali Saleh. His community is called One Mission, and there's a private chat for this for his community as well. And also there's official Akashix community with all the channels, welcome, tap to trade, gold chat, business chat, everything inside, support chat. If something's not working, you can address there, explain the problem, and you'll get the answer. And there's every week there's official company calls. I cannot even follow through how many calls they have. A lot of these calls are in our midnight, like throughout the nighttime, like 2-3 a.m. when we are sleeping. But we can watch the recordings because it's really good calls, really good trainings, and it's from the people who are making over $100,000 per month. This company has earners that are making 100, 200,000, even $500,000 per month in this company. It's really growing fast, and a lot of people are joining here. So that's why I said I want to do business with them, because I see that their leadership really knows what they're doing, and they know how to do it, and they're doing it, So they're just, showing the example of a really good growth, quality growth. And these kind of promotions that, leave you to not be able to not do the business. All right. Any more questions, comments? All right, guys, if there's no more questions, I'll stop the recording now.